storms, but I find holy redemption when I put this car.
At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to nickel-size hail and heavy rain. This cluster of severe thunderstorms is located from Ayton to Roxeter, moving east at 25 km per hour. Hazard: 80 km per hour wind gusts and locally heavy rainfall of 50 mm within 1 hour. Locations impacted include Harriston, Gorey, Fordwich and Clifford. Heavy downpours can cause flash floods and water pooling on roads.
Dry.